Corruption in Murang'a County is embarrassing, but for me, I would want to go ahead and ask that would want a detailed report. If there is corruption, who is corrupt and where, with proper details. And I also want to call upon the leadership of Murang'a County, please don't embarrass us. We don't want exchange of words. We don't want blame game. What we want is responsibility. If somebody is corrupt, they should take responsibility. For the Wabukala and team, would like to see the report so that we know which is it, the county government, is it the department, is it the registrations of persons, which department is most affected, because I don't know the measure of corruption. Whether you're corrupt with 100 shillings or 1 million shillings, corruption is corruption. So I don't know how the rating of #1 came from Murang'a County.
I was very embarrassed to read Murang'a is reading #1 in corruption. I think as a senator, I will continue telling the government of Murang'a we must fight against corruption. And Mr. Wabukala, this idea of you just reading names or I don't know statistics saying hey, Murang'a is #1, we do not want that data. The best data is about conviction. How many people have been convicted? We want to hear so and so in Murang'a has been convicted, so and so has been taken to court. We don't want just talk. We want that talk to now work. We see convictions for people who are misusing resources in Murang'a and making Murang'a not to be in good books, and we get to be very ashamed